Lam at Evans, oedd Pwyllog. Gyna mae'n ras nôl at Evans, Evans yn croesi at y postyn pella! Rhys sydd yno, Bale yn rhydd. Cosby sy'n cyrraedd i gyntaf. Mae hwn yn ddechreuad ardderchog i'r myfyrwyr. Tu fewn at Elliot Evans. Evans ar ei drw'r chwith, Ergyd Bale yn gwyro. Ac allan am gic cornel arall. Cymeradwyaeth gan Christian Edwards. Dechreuad campus i'r myfyrwyr. Cyffyrddiad hyfryd gan Mariet yn y symudiad. Mae wedi parhau ar Ediad y Bale gan Brobl. Brobl yn ergydion y Shell! Rwyd ochr. Ergyd nerthol trod dde, Ryan Brobl.
Brobl wneud y dda, bod yn positif fel mae angen bod mwy yn y man ni, dwi'n sgorio llawer.
Edwards at Brobl, Brobl sydd wedi dod y gosad, gol! Taran o Ergyd, cael ei helpu dros y bar gan Fuller.
So wedi mynd i dalu da, oce, peth pwysig cadw allan o'r rwyd.
Dyma nhw unwaith eto Joel Edwards yn eog o ildio'r meddiant Draper, dim cam sefyll yn erbyn Draper, y myfyrwyr yn rhithro am yn ôl. Tackle hwyr fanna. A mae problem fan hyn gan i Kyle McCarthy. Oedd y ddau chwaraewr yn rhithro mewn, ond mi oedd McCarthy'n hwyr ar Aaron Edwards.
Oedd, ia, Cardi Melin, penderfyniad cywir.
Gic rydd wedi cymryd yn sydyn, Brobl yn rhydd o dri, Ergyd y Shell, y taro'r postyn tro hwn, wel mae Brobl yn dod yn agosach, bob Ergyd.
Sgiliau gwych o fan hyn, dwi'n mynd argoedd i fili, bod o'n wedi sgorio.
A Brobl sydd ar cyfrifoldeb o'r gic gornel yn codi ac yn taro'r bar, ac yna, Hudson ar Ergyd, Saunders tarodd y bar. Bale yn torri gan Routledge. Olbeniad holl bwysig gan McCarthy. Mae allan am gic gornel.
Dwi'n tro yma, am unwaith Saunders yn asesu y croesiad yn dod i fewn, codi'n uwch na pawb ar y postyn bellach.
Sgwan mae'n mynd at Barnett. Barnett yn denu'r amddiffynwyr allan. Cic dros ysgwydd gan Emlyn Lewis.
Bron iddo fo plwcio gol y tymor allan o nunlla y fan hyn.
A Draper o bawb sydd yn hanner unan o'n o bas yn ôl. A Roscoe! Taro'r bar! Ond am gyfle i Adam Roscoe.
Mae wedi mynd am y postyn cynta. Dwi'n mynd all pam. Mae rai chdi fynd ar draws y gol.
Elliot Evans yn sgorio i Met Caerdydd. Ac Elliot Evans sydd wedi cael i gêm dywyla ers spel yn rhwydo rhif 13 y tymor.
Elliot Evans wedi gwneud mor dda tymor un o'r holl goliau, ond hon mor bwysig iddo fo ac i'w dîm.
Hudson nawr wedi aros am y lan. Mariet at y postyn pella. Oedd Pelifeini yn ôl y Cawber sy'n dod ar sgôr yn gyfartal. Kevin Cawber yn sgorio i gol gyntaf i'r Seintiau Newydd.
Mae Saunders yn neud yn ardderchog o dda ar y postyn pella i benio hon yn ôl. Gwych ganddo fo, ond pwy sy'n dal i redag i fewn efo ryw gredd bach naturiol ella da ni'n di weld. Hyd yn hyn, oherwydd da ni wedi gweld digon o'n efo. Oedd yr eilydd newydd ma, Kevin Cawber.
Well, Scott, was there an element of relief when that equaliser went in?
Yeah, there was, but disappointment obviously that we conceded the goal. But obviously, you know, when you score so late on and salvage a point, you're quite happy. Before that, I was thinking, you know, who's going to get us that goal? First half, we've had more than enough chances to win the game, and I thought it was just going to be one of them games again where we came here earlier on in the season, got a 0-0. So, you know, sometimes you just have to take a draw and go again.
Elliot, did you think you'd won it with your goal?
Well, against TNS, you can't switch it off. They're a good side. They keep going. So you know the amount of late goals they've had over the course of the 2 seasons we've been in the Welsh Prem, you can't switch off. No, I didn't think it was one, but obviously we were in a good position. But yeah, it's just one of those things.
Ymlaen gallwn fod yr ysbrydoliaeth i orffen y tymor mor gryf allwch chi?
Wel, gobeithio. Mae'r ail hanner wedi bod yn warthus, fel wedi gweud. Yn dda iawn o gwbl. Y ddau gêm diwethaf ni wedi gwella y perfformiad, ond gobeithio gallu symud ymlaen a gael 3 pwynt wythnos nesaf. Wel, mewn pythefnos.
Slightly disappointed, obviously 94th minute and ticking I think it was, and we conceded the goal, but yeah, it's a tough one to take, but we put ourselves in with a chance of winning it, and I thought the boys did very, very well today. We adopted a certain shape, adopted a certain system to frustrate, and I think that we did that, but we also looked quite dangerous on the counter-attack, and playing 2 up against them is a bold move, but we were happy with that. The players were comfortable with that shape, and we worked on it in training, and I think sometimes as a coach you have to be flexible in your coaching philosophy and respect the opposition, and we have a brand of playing football, trying to move it quickly, etc., etc. But against TNS you can't do that. So sometimes you have to set out to frustrate, which is what we did today, and we're seconds away from winning it.
And you're one step closer to winning the league. So where does this leave you and the guys now?
Yeah, 1 point further down the line, but obviously 6 games to go now. You know, we'll go again next week, prepare right, and hopefully we can get over that line in the next couple of weeks.